Good luck out there.
Thank you, you too. Fish number 1, 12 1/4. Fish number 2, 13 3/4. So it's 8 o'clock, almost 2 hours into the tournament, and I have 2 fish. One is a 12 1/4 and one is either a 13 3/4 or a 14. I can't quite tell if it hits the 14 line in the picture, so I submitted it for 14 and they'll let me know if it doesn't quite hit the line. So looks like about 26 or 26 1/4 inches, which isn't a bad start. Everything has come so far on the Strike King KVD 1.5 gizzard shad square bill. So I'm gonna keep throwing it around, see if I can get more. Fish number 3, 15 1/4. Okay, this is fish number 4, 12 1/2. Okay, fish number 5, 12 inches. Gotta get a better one than this, but I got my limit. So it's 1 o'clock right now. Tournament ends at 3, so I have 2 more hours to fish, but I just took a real quick bathroom break up here. So walking back down to my kayak and gonna get back out there and try to get some more fish. I've actually got my 5 fish limit, but they're all really small. I've got a 3 in the 12 range, a 13 and a 15. So I think 66 inches for my longest 5, which is really little, but it's a limit, which is great. So now it's time to go upgrading. And that's something I'm not really that familiar with, and I got to figure out how to go target the bigger fish. So here we go. got to upgrade and maybe I can do well in this tournament. So since I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys at the measure-in last night, I figured I'd do a really quick wrap-up as I'm leaving the campground here. You can see how loaded my car is. I jam everything in here. I've got all my camping stuff plus all my fishing stuff for the weekend, and I drive a Honda Accord, so it's really a challenge to get everything in my car. But as for the tournament yesterday, I finished 6th place, which I'm so thrilled about. 66 inches. I actually tied with the guy who finished 5th, but he had a big fish. So I'm really proud of how I did this weekend. I did lose a few fish, so if I had fished clean, I could have done a lot better. I was only 2 3/4 inches out of 3rd place. I mean, man, I'm getting close, but I just need to keep going. I love the fact that there's improvement, and I'm really happy with how the tournament went. And of course, I had a great time with my buddies hanging out at camp. So thanks to the Buckeye Trail for running these events. I really appreciate you guys doing the work so that we can get out on the water and play. And thanks so much to Strictly Sailing Kayak for use of the Hobie links and always being a good support to our angling community. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys. I appreciate you coming along with me on my little journey of learning to fish. And next weekend is Indian Lake, so I'll see you guys up at Indian Lake and see you on the water.